Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today we are talking about lingerie and confidence and how to gain confidence to wear lingerie for your significant other. This was a special request by one of you guys in my Q&A. It was something that came in after I'd already done the Q&A and answered the questions, so I thought it warranted an entire video. I've got my notes, as usual, in my productivity journal, which I've actually linked it in the description box for you guys because it's beautiful and it's basically just a bullet journal with a table of contents, some stickers, and that's about it, and you can do what you want with it. I've just used mine for notes for planning my videos. So, well, let's get into it because this is a subject I feel very strongly about. So let me just say this right off the bat. Two things. First, you do not need to wear lingerie for your significant other. And I say significant other because I'm not going to say specifically a man or a woman or whoever, because it can be for any person. Whatever person you're dating, having sex with at the moment, that particular person that you want to be sexy for, you do not have to feel like you need to wear sexy things for them just for them to like you. If that is the case, and they are only into you when you wear those sorts of things, they're probably not the one for you. 2, your significant other should like you whether you're wearing the sexy things anyway. And that's pretty much the same thing, but they're like, yes, they should like you no matter what, before, after, in between you're wearing the sexy things. And I guess number 3 is, you don't have to do this if you're not comfortable at all. If you really just, lingerie is not your thing, doesn't have to be for everybody, you don't have to wear it, it's totally fine. Okay? Now, I in particular like sexy things. I like sexy underwear. Please don't demonetize me. I still need that money. YouTube, do not demonetize me. I like nice underwear. I like nice bralettes. I like really grandma looking nightgowns. Let's face it, if they could go to my ankles and still had pockets, I would be in. So, this is not about wearing the sexy things for your significant other. This is about getting you comfortable in your own skin. Because if you are not comfortable, no matter how much lingerie you take on or put on or take off, you will still not put out the sexy vibes when you want to get down and dirty with somebody, okay? So, tip number 1, get comfortable with being naked. Don't even bother with the sexy things. That is a waste of your money at this point in time. Be naked a lot. Doesn't matter if you live with roommates, be naked in your room, be naked in front of a mirror, be naked on photos, take photos, look at yourself in the mirror, inspect your body, but do not inspect it in the way that you would if you're looking at a photo of yourself and saying, oh, I hate that cellulite on my butt, or whatever. Everybody has cellulite, and the person that you're getting into bed with is likely never going to notice the cellulite on your butt. What they're going to notice is how confident you look, and how you're taking charge and you're doing something special for them. So, get comfortable with being naked. Take photos of yourself in the mirror. Look at yourself. Point out all of the things that you like about your body. Look at yourself as a whole, not individual parts. Say, I am a sexy person. I look hot right now, naked. You don't have to wear sexy underwear or get a really uncomfortable sexy bra to be sexy and to portray that. It is something that comes from inside of you. It's a confidence that comes from inside. There's no point in spending all of your money and putting together some elaborate thing for this person if you can't even just push the sexy out, you know? You need to put it out there, and if you're not feeling yourself, they're not going to feel you. that sounded so cliched, but it's so true. If you are not comfortable in your own skin, then the sexy never gets to come out. Once you've, looked at yourself in the mirror naked a whole lot, go and buy yourself some sexy underwear, because this is for you. See how they make you feel. Are they soft? Are they silky? Are they lacy? Wear them. Do they make your butt look nice? Do they make you feel hot when you wear them? I don't mean like temperature hot. I mean like, do you feel hot? With a W. And you really just like feel it. Wear them all the time. Not all the time. Wear them more often than your regular granny panties or whatever you're wearing. Actually don't save them for a special occasion. Wear them on a daily basis. Wear them under your jeans. Wear them under a dress. Wear them on date night, but don't tell anybody that you're wearing them. They're there for you and to boost your confidence. Once you've kind of got past that and you can show off and, let the sexy out just from wearing some fun panties, or maybe you like a nice bra, or you like stockings, or whatever it is that, makes you get feeling sexy, then buy it, wear it, and don't save it for a special occasion. Wear it regularly. Walk around the house in your sexy lingerie. Because if you can't just walk around the house in broad daylight wearing those sexy things, then you're not going to be able to put it on for someone that you feel a lot of feelings for and show them. Because if you are so scared of one person seeing it, then, people who don't know you and can see you through your apartment window or your front window or whatever, they don't matter. They don't matter at all, and you should be able to walk around your house showing off yourself to strangers on the street if you want. You should be able to do those things before having to force yourself out of a bathroom, covering yourself up. You don't need to do those things. What you need to do is spend some time feeling sexy for yourself. And that happens when, you can try cleaning in your underwear if you want. Try sitting around watching a movie in just your underwear or just your sexy things. Because when you just be yourself in those sexy things, they feel like regular clothes. And they feel like they're not as high pressure to wear them, I guess. And once you get sort of over that, oh, I'm wearing sexy lingerie, then it really is a matter of just I look extra hot in this particular thing and I'm going to wear it for that person I'm going to have sex with tonight. I once read this article where, it was a Cosmo article where the writer experimented and tried wearing lingerie, pajamas to bed for, I think it was maybe a month, I can't remember. And she said that because she's married or was dating somebody at the time, and she said it changed her sex life. It was oh man, I feel hot all the time, and so I want to get down and dirty right now. And I thought that was interesting because I guess if you're not if you're not prepared, it's not, not everybody can be super spontaneous with sex and spontaneous with the sexy times, and maybe it's just, cuddling or whatever. But if you don't feel yourself and you're not feeling great, and maybe you're just bundled up in old sweatpants that you've had since high school, then you're probably not going to want to get naked or want to have someone else in your bed that isn't your long-term partner. And so, taking the time to maybe spend an extra few minutes and put on something a little more special before you go to bed, and it makes you feel better, and it's sort of a signal for that other person that oh, okay, they're doing something cool. And maybe it helps you with regularly wearing lingerie for people. I don't know. It was an interesting article. If I can find it, I will link it. It was from a few years ago though, so Okay, now here's just a logistical tip once you get to the actually wearing sexy things for someone else or for yourself. Crotchless panties pinch like a bitch, okay? So, buy the most comfortable lingerie you can. You know, I'm pretty sure nipple-less bras or like bras that are just underwire and almost nothing else are not that comfortable. So buy something that you actually want to spend time in long term and want to wear it more than once, because like you spend a lot of money on that stuff, and if you're only going to wear it once, it seems like a huge waste of your time and money to go and buy the thing, try the thing on, then spend your money on it. Buy something comfortable that you actually want to wear on a regular basis, and not just like, oh, once in a while you pull it out, but like it immediately comes off because it's really fucking uncomfortable. Where have I seen like underwear with pearl thong? I'm sorry, I don't care what you say, that sounds painful. And it's a like you put it on and it immediately comes off kind of thing. One thing to really keep in mind, and it's my final point, I promise, when you feel sexy and you feel good about yourself is when you will project that to the other person. So it really is not at all about lingerie. Yes, maybe that is like the other person likes it and it turns them on and you're doing it for them. But if you don't feel comfortable and you don't feel sexy, then it's not going to be as good of an experience for either of you. So you might as well feel extra comfortable and extra sexy and buy something that you like and that the other person will also enjoy, because they want you to be enjoying yourself. They don't want it to feel like torture for you, and that will ruin both of your experiences. Yes. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. I know this is not generally a subject I speak about too often, but it's definitely along the lines of confidence, and it's more about you than it is about the other person, and building that confidence, projecting that confidence. Yeah. Anyway, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, or remind you, I guess, I do have some limited edition merch available just for the month of November, so if you want to pick up a piece from the Unapologetically Fat collection, it is a Christmas sweater themed sweatshirt and pieces, I guess. There's a sticker, some mugs, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. But it's all Christmas sweater themed without being too Christmassy. And I thought I would share that with you. It's only available until the end of November. So if you're interested, pick it up now while you can, because it will not be coming back. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!